Hey everybody, it's Garrett here again with FixMySauna.com, and in today's video I've got a manufacturer called KeysBackyard. Actually, I've got their white box, which is their first generation, and then I've got their more silver box, which is their second generation. So in today's video I kind of wanted to go over what our team does here at FixMySauna.com as far as rebuilds are concerned on both of these boxes. But before I get into that, I kind of want to go over who you have or who you trust to actually repair these boxes. So, you know, as you can tell, it's a very complicated box. A lot of different components in it, and of course you've got 120 volts running through it. Not to mention you've got a infrared sauna that is kiln dried, or the wood is very, very brittle or moistureless. Which is basically fire kindle to start a fire. So this isn't something that you should necessarily trust someone that's got a little bit of knowledge in it, or someone that's working out of their garage, or somebody that's working in their basement, what have you. Make sure you're dealing with a reputable company like FixMySauna.com. I think one of the biggest things about infrared sauna repair or control box repair is making sure that you know, the company has liability insurance. For example, Fix My Sauna has $2 million in liability insurance. There we are down there, policy. So, you know, this is just such a complicated piece of machinery that can actually cause, or electronic that can cause, you know, a fire in your home. So I would not trust it with somebody that does it part-time, or out of the garage, or out of their basement, or what have you. So, okay, so let's move on from that. Let's talk about rebuild on one of these KeysBackyard. So, the first thing that our tech is going to do when he gets one of these boxes from you guys, he's going to actually go through pretty much this entire board and replace about 95% of it. Now, we're not going to replace the processing chips here. You know, I think there's 4 of them on this board. Those generally do not need to be replaced. But mostly everything else he's going to go through and rebuild. And the reason why we do a full rebuild is if you have one issue somewhere, more than likely there's going to be an issue somewhere else. And taking that chance of something else going wrong with it in, I don't know, say a year or 2 years, you know, is just not worth it. Again, that's why Fix My Sauna has the confidence to give you guys a 10-year warranty, because we don't just fix the issue that's wrong with it now, we rebuild the entire thing. The next thing that he's going to do is he's going to go ahead and get rid of this power supply. Now, this is a decent power supply, but it's still a Chinese-made power supply. So we're going to go ahead and remove that, get rid of it. Here's your transformer. And then we're going to replace it with a commercial-grade rack mount power AC/DC power supply here. So again, we're going to upgrade that side of it. That's on the white box. As you can see, the white box is a bigger board. It's got a bigger power supply on it. The silver box, you know, you would think it has less, basically a smaller circuit board, and it's, you know, smaller everything, and it should be cheaper. But actually, this one behind here is actually a lot more complicated than the one it replaced here, which is the white box. So the white box is generation 1, generation 2. Again, on that board, we're going to go ahead and go through the and basically rebuild everything on that board down to the resistors, and get that thing back to commercial grade, or up to commercial grade. The next thing, let's talk about cables. So anybody that owns a KeysBackyard that has one of these white boxes or silver boxes, you're going to have these cables. You're going to actually have 3 of them. You're going to have this is your CD SIG cable here. It's got your CD player connector on it. It's got your buzzer and your temperature sensor connector. We're one of the only companies that actually gets real OEM parts straight from the manufacturer. So that's one of them. There's your control. You've actually got 3 on here. I don't have the other one on this bench, but that's your control wire. So we're actually going to get you, you know, new control wire if you need one. So again, I hope that helps you guys out. Again, you know, be very careful on who you have actually rebuild these things. Make sure they have liability insurance. You know, Fix My Sauna has liability insurance. We've got around 5 different techs that can work on these. We also have a physical location here in Colorado. So we're an actual legitimate company, not somebody that's, like I said, working out of their basement or garage or what have you. So I hope that helps you guys out understand these boxes. I hope that earns your business. I hope the 10-year warranty earns your business. And obviously, the security of having, a legitimate company with insurance work on your parts. So again, it's Fix My Sauna. You can visit us at fixmysauna.com. We actually also own KeysBackyardParts.com. You can call us at 877-988-2111. Shoot us an email at parts@fixmysauna.com. Or go on our website and fill out a support ticket or on our contact form. As always, good health, and I hope this helps you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.